Start mechanical design, part design, sketcher, CHR sketcher, select plane, sketcher. Now we are going to learn hexagon. Okay, do you have to say hexagon? Hexagon means 6 edges. Okay, for this, first of all, click center point and second point, click anywhere. Okay, for example, I'm selecting here second point. I'm clicking second point. Okay, we got hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. Okay, now we want to constrain how. So this constraint line and x-axis coincidence, but it doesn't constrain. We have constraint with the horizontal axis, but now we want to constrain vertical axis also. So click this point, vertical axis coincidence. Okay, now we constrain with the vertical and horizontal axis, but it doesn't constrain. Why? Then move it. Just move it. Okay, because we doesn't constrain by the dimension of this hexagon. So now give a dimension to hexagon. Okay, 76 is the now I'm giving 100. Okay, we can constrain like this, else delete this constraint. I'll just give this length edge to edge. With this also we can constrain. Okay, any one of the dimension of hexagon and constrain with horizontal and vertical axis. This is the hexagon. We have only 6 edges option only. We don't have more than 6 or less than 6 edges. If we want, we have to draw manually. Okay. Hexagon is the options, hexagon center and height. For example, mention here height 100, that is 180. What is mentioning here again, height 150. Okay, 200. Did you get what is here? This one. Here, what is this value? 180 center point, and this value for what it is. Okay, initially what we have given, that is selecting the point from origin 100 by 180 distance. Then again the second point. What I have chose the second point, it selected the second point, 200 by 150. With the dimension, we got a hexagon. Okay. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.